Today, let's take a look together at the TM2480, a negative pressure laminating machine designed for paint-free doors. This is the door veneer membrane pressed at the exhibition. Next, take a look at how focused our technical personnel are. Give them a thumbs up for their dedication. Thanks. Next, let's watch the complete video of the laminating machine in operation together. Press this button, then the work table is ready to enter the working chamber. Let's start the timer. Let's see how much time the laminating process takes. This video is no edited, without acceleration. Please be patient as we wait for our laminating machine to complete the job. The whirring sound has stopped, indicating the successful completion of the laminating process. Just 1 minute. Shocking, bro. There's an alarm sound ahead, don't be startled. It's just alerting the workers that the laminating process is complete. Come and take a look at the laminating results. Look at how beautiful the door veneer is, clear grooves and perfectly applied. The processing results from ZHT equipment have never disappointed me. Are you satisfied with this outcome? Let's also take a look at the laminating effects on various types of door veneers. Video editing is not easy. At the end, attach my business card. Feel free to contact me for equipment inquiries. Thanks for your support.
免气门试机。
Follow me for regular updates on the woodworking machinery industry. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like before you go. Thank you.